Good morning to our followers, and thank you for um, subscribing and liking and sharing this video, you know, to our viewers. Okay, so this morning we will be morning, afternoon, or evening in your place. I will be talking about the festival dances. No, so the festival dance um, started in Panay Island. No, the Ati-Atihan was the first um, festival dance that was happened in the Philippines. Okay, because of the birth of because of Santo Niño. Okay, so festival dances ang atong mga sugutan karon. Una ang kaning kuan ati-atihan, which is the first in Panay that was happened. No, there was a story about it. It was started with from the book of Pajardo. The research is about Sinulog, or about the feast of Santo Niño in Panay Island. She wrote about the dance, no? And then it was believed that it was first started in a Pangalay dance, and then after that it was developed, no? So that's why there are people who claim that Sinulog is coming from or the dance for Santo Niño is coming from um, the pagan people, or the people which is not Christian, no? Okay. So first is we will talk about the festival dances. So a festival dance is an event usually marked as a national holiday celebration, or celebrated by the community, and centering of some artistic or characteristic aspect of the of that specific community, and its religion. Number one, it is religion and tradition of the place. Festivals are usually associated with harvest, Thanksgiving, appreciation, religious, and commemorations. Now, in the Philippines, the Spanish word fiesta is used to denote a communal religious feast, no, in honor to the patron saint. So, that's why siguro gibalik nila ang kuan, ang Pasigarbo sa Subo karon, Pasigarbo sa Subo. Ang ilang motive is mo focus sila sa mga saints, no, within the place, kanang mga unsa mga kanang mga santos diha, mga fiesta, because festival dances are from the fiestas, no, or kay mo ra mga kalingawan sa mga tao. Now, fiestas are important to many Filipinos, um, because of the miraculous power of their saints, all, no? So kinsa mga ilang saints. But here, it was started with Santo Niño. Okay, it is one way of expressing gratitude to the saints, no? Or being responsible on all good fortune and favor received, no? So it's about Thanksgiving. Fiesta is a popular as the traditional dances, which are also celebrated as a cultural awareness that will be passed down from to the next generation. Fiestas reflect Filipino religion and faith, kanang atong pagtuo, which are the most essential part of the society. So inana ang nahitabo sa festival dance, no, when we go deeper with the festival dance. Okay, so um in the book of Hardo, it was emphasized there that there was already a kanang pattern, no, of or the movements of the dance. But as I said, it was a pagan style of dancing, no. Okay, this adapted. It is kung if we will compare it now, it is a free interpretation dance of the dancing. Okay. I noticed also in the book of Fajardo that a researcher, there are a lot of kuratsa, no? But we will not talk about kuratsa, but there are many kuratsa dances that are presented, no? Even in Luzon, in Visayas, or in Mindanao. There are kuratsa dances, but their kuratsa is in Mindanao is different, no? The following are the popular dances observed in the Philippines. So, ang first gyud akong yung gipili kining ati-atihan kay kaning ati-atihan mo ni kuan una gyud nga festival sa kuan Pilipinas, no? Okay. So, number one is ati-atihan. So, some ati-atihan dance in Kalibo, Aklan. So, nagit sa Kalibo, Aklan ang atong festival dance. So, someone as sometimes in the early goes in Panay Island, the Ati people were struggling kanang Ati people kanang ilang mga ethnic groups, no? So nag-struggle sila kasi silang kalisod, silang kanang pagkaon, no? So there was a famine as the result of the bad harvest o kanang na hiaguman nila ang mga kalisod o mga kanang kalisod sa pag-harvest sa ilang mga tinanom. They were instructed to descend from their mountain village to look for the generosity of the people who live in there. So nanganaog sila sa bukid sa bukid kay tungo siguro sa kanang walay sa naigutom nga nahitabo. So nanganaog sila sa bukid, mangayo sila. So the datus where generously gave them food as the expression of gratitude and appreciation of the Ati people. That okay, Ati people. So instead sa ilang kalipay nga gitagaan sila sa mga datus ug mga datu ug mga kanang kuan pagkaon, mga unsa lagi panghatag sa mga datus. Tungod sa ilang appreciation sa kalipay ani sayaw sila og pasalamat ngadto no sa ilang gituan nga katabang kanila. Okay. So so they dance, no, and sang for them for their generosity and kindness to the datus. Okay. So Ati-Atihan Festival is popular known being grateful celebration. People dress up in tribal clothing and parade the streets of Kalibo. So, while dancing, ati-atihan, dancers o kaning ati-atihan, kunang mag-itom-itom sila, munang gitawag ati-ati, kalang ati is ati group. Nya, mag-itom-itom yun sila kay kanang para di sila mailhan ba. Unya, ang ila, is thanksgiving to the datus for giving them it's a celebration for giving them kanang mga food, mga kanang ilang panginahanglan, no, mga sa mga ati. Okay. So ati-atihan is from the word ati, kanang gikan na sa word nga ati. So they were instructed, no, so okay. Ati-Atihan Festival is popular known for being great, gleeful and celebration. People dress up in tribal clothing and parade the streets of Kalibo while dancing. Ati-Atihan dancers carries bamboos, torches, sculptures, and the image of image of the child of Santo Niño. So diha nagsugod, no. So Ati-Atihan is also known as a Sad festival today. So ang kanang sa unang panahon walang ilang pasalamat mo sayaw sila, no. So ang gitawag nga ang napoy tay gitawag nga Mardi Gras kanang gina mention sa mga kuan kanang mga reporter. So ang atong sinulog dili Mardi Gras, ang Mardi Gras mao ang ati-atihan. Kanang Mardi Gras mura na siya sa Brazil ba nga musayo ka dili dungan, no, bisan kinsa pwede mo sayaw basta may sa during that time karon na magi kanang formality during that time kanang musayaw lang ka muna gitawag ko Mardi Gras. So to dance its own kanang ikaw lang ang musayaw kana agi pasalamat kang Senyor Santo Niño nga kanang naluwas mo ang imong pamilya. Okay, or naay grasya nga nadawat ang inyong pamilya. So, as I said today, it is called Sadsad sa Kalye. Okay? So, okay. Sadsad sa Kalye. Ang katong sa una, gitawag nilang maliga ka ng maliga. Well, ako nang explain sa inyo. So, kung ang gilamin nga Sadsad sa Kalye is a dynamic mass presentation in which uh, the dancers expresses their religious beliefs, no, kanang ilang pagtuo, views, aspiration, and visions of the January Hanyu Hawaiians, okay, based upon traditions, Hai Han Nuns, based on the tradition, experience, and culture of the people of the Hanwai, or the Hanwai. It is street based upon tradition, experiences, and culture of the people of the Hanwai. So it is a dance street with a integration of kaleidoscopic prism of culture, no, grace, that represent the manifestation of things that is good and man's body, goods of man in man's body and the soul. So kung musayaw ka ani, it's a great manifestation nga ang imong body, imong soul kanang there is a good kanang ba, good sa ato pangakaroon, ato itawag ito na good health, good health to ourselves, good vibes to ourselves, ana. So salsa natively means dance with the sad ang karon na gitawag nilang sad. So ati-atihan also observe on the third Sunday of January. So ang dungan na sa sinulog sa Cebu, no, which is the sinulog niya dito sa ila isa sa festival. Okay, so kung na may question PM lang, pero kaning sanay ati-atihan mo ni ang pinakauna gyud nga festival sa Pilipinas, which is the Mardi Gras, no. It's not a street dancing but a Mardi Gras. So you know already what is a Mardi Gras. So that's all for the sharing, very short, and I hope that you will subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all.